Hello, welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson. I'm about to sneeze. We're here at Anytime Fitness in North Madison, Connecticut. And I'm using these, I don't know what we would call them, steps, I guess, but it's got to be a better aerobic steps, I guess, step ups. And the tip for today is to use a stable but uneven surface. So I just have a few steps here because as I work between them, I'll have an uneven surface. I could do this with a uneven, unstable surface like gravel or balance board or foam or what have you, but this is kind of interesting to me. So for example, the practice might be doing wave hands like clouds. And of course, here I'm going to have to make quite an adjustment. And what I want to be able to do is make an adjustment that is within my principles, not I made an adjustment to make that work, but I didn't really stay within my principles. I could have chosen something that's like a forward practice with this particular one where I'm working on that. Maybe some of my steps are going to line up to be more like this rather than floor or step. And maybe that means it's something you can continue doing with your particular practice and drill. And maybe you just need to change the distance between them. One fun way I've done this before is where I had students, you're practicing blind and you have friends or students or colleagues vary them and move them around as you're practicing. So they see where you're going and they move the blocks either further away or closer or pile them up or whatever. And so you don't know what to expect. Like I laid these out, I kind of know where they are. But enjoy that. That's a really wonderful practice for me because I like to practice outdoors. Less of my practice happens indoor where it's level and well lit and nice grip. So thank you very much, and we appreciate you more than you'll know.
This QR code takes you to our link tree, which has all of our links, among them financial support links, which is certainly going to be very helpful. We appreciate your commenting, subscribing, linking, and going to Patreon.